Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the extrude function in Blender. So first we're going to come over here to edit mode, and then we're going to select a face of the object that we would like to extrude. For me it's just going to be this top bit of the cube. And then over here you can see the extrude icon, as well as you can just press E and that will help you extrude your face. And then that's pretty much it. It's very useful. Well, you can use the size command by pressing S, and that can help you make some even more complex and cooler structures.